Hello friends, in today's session we are going to learn working with files and directories, and let's start with creating a new file. So for creating a new file we have a command named touch, and followed by we can give any name. Here I am giving file2. So here I can see if you put ls command, you can see that file has been created. Ls is for listing the files in the system. So here we can see the file is created. So now let us write something in the file. So for writing files we have vi editor, that's vim editor. We used to say as in short vi, and then give the name of the file that we just created it. So file2 is the name of the file that we just created, and for writing the file we have to press escape button and then press I, and then we can start typing. So I am just typing some text into the file, and for saving the file we have to press escape shift semicolon and then WQ followed by exclamatory mark. So we have written the file. So to view the file we have the command cat followed by the name of the file, file2. So this is the content that we have created right now. Let me adjust the screen. Okay, so touch is the command for creating the file. Okay, and VA is for editing the file. Okay, and for saving the file we have to press the escape key and shift key followed by semicolon and you have to type WQ followed by exclamatory mark. This is for saving the file, and for viewing the file the command is cat and then followed by the name of the file. So this is the file operation, and for listing the file that you have created, so just put the ls command and hit enter. It will show the file that we have created in our directory. Now let us create a directory. So for creating a directory we have a command mkdir, that is make directory, and followed by some name and hit on enter. And if we put ls command here we can see the name, the directory is showing. It is sample, the name of the directory, and it has been created. And we have one more command to get to know the difference between the file and the directory. Here we can see file to and sample. We don't see any difference between a file and a directory over here. If you put ls-l here we can see the difference. So here in the first character we can see is D, which shows the directory, and hyphen it shows the file, normal regular file. So that these things we'll see later. So for now we can see for sample it shows D as the first character in this line. So this shows that sample is the directory that we just created. Now we have one more command to check. So we need to know actually in which directory we are working right now. So for that we have the command pwd present working directory. So it shows that we are under root home page, home directory, which means that all the files and the directories that we have created is present under /root directory, the file that we created and the directory sample. So both are available under /root. Okay. Suppose if I want to change my directory, I don't want to be in my /root directory. Instead, I want to navigate to my sample directory that I created right now. So for that, we have the command cd sample, and then type the name of the directory that we need to enter. Sample, here it is sample. So I am putting cd change directory sample. So now I am in sample directory. If I put pwd again, it shows that under root, under sample directory that I have navigated. Okay, now we have created a directory and navigated into that directory. And suppose if I want to come back, come back to my original root directory, I can type cd space 2 times. I have to put this dot command and then hit on enter. And if I put pwd here again, I can see that I have navigated back to my root directory from where I was before. And now let's say that I want to remove my file that I created, file2. So for removing files, we have the command rm -f, and then the name of the file over here is file2, and hit on enter key. So this is the command. Rm stands for remove, and it goes -f, the option, the argument file, and the name of the file is file2. And if I put ls-l here, I can see only sample directory is available. So the file has been removed from my system. Now if suppose I want to remove my directory as well, so for that we have the command rm dir followed by name of the directory. So let us ls-l and see. Okay, now both file and the sample directory that we created has been removed completely. Okay guys, so here we can see some these are all the permission levels for the files and the directories that represents for the first 3 character. It shows for the owner of the file, and then the group of the file, and then for others which are not in the system. So these things we will discuss later. So just for now, just make a note of it. And here this D represents the directory, and hyphen represents the regular file notification here. And yes, and that's it for today guys, and thanks for watching.